MBBS. One-step solution for all medical studies.
Hi friends, in this video we will see what we are going to study in our anatomy subject. But first of all, we should know from where this term anatomy is derived. So friends, the term anatomy is derived from the Greek, and in Greek its meaning is dissection or cutting of the body. Now friends, why we are dissecting or cutting the body? So that we can study the internal structures of the body. And friends, under study we mainly study the appearance of different parts of the body, position of different parts of the body, relationship of one part of the body with the other parts of the body, and which are the blood vessels and nerves supplying the different parts of the body. Friends, these terms appearance, position and relationship can be understood with the help of this example. These are our lungs, and if I ask a question to you, what is the shape of this lung? Then you will reply, it is conical in shape. And friends, this shape comes in the appearance. And if I ask a question to you, where these lungs are present in our body, then you will reply, these are present in the chest or thorax region. So friends, it comes under the position. And friends, if I ask a question to you, what are the different parts of the body which are present on the left side of this lung, right side of this lung, superior to this lung, inferior to this lung, anterior to this lung and posterior to this lung? Then friends, these all comes under the relationship. For example friends, this is our heart, and if I ask a question to you, what is the relationship of this heart with these lungs? So friends, heart is present on the medial side of these lungs in the lower part of the lungs. Friends, if we are able to study the structures of the body with our naked eye means we are not using any equipment like microscope for studying these structures. Then friends, this type of study comes under the gross anatomy and the neuroanatomy. And friends, if for the study of these structures we need microscope, then such type of study comes under the histology and the embryology. Now friends, further we will see what we are going to study under gross anatomy, neuroanatomy, histology and embryology. Friends, under gross anatomy we will discuss the head, neck, upper limb. In the upper limb we will discuss the shoulder or pectoral girdle, axilla, arm, elbow, forearm, wrist and the hand. In the lower limb we will discuss the pelvic girdle or hip region, thigh, knee, leg, ankle and the foot, the thorax region, the abdominal region and the pelvic region. So friends, we will discuss all these regions in detail related to our theoretical exam point of view and PG entrance exam point of view. Friends, under neuroanatomy we will discuss the brain, spinal cord, the nerves which emerges from the brain called cranial nerves and the nerves which emerges from the spinal cord called spinal nerves. So friends, the brain and spinal cord forms the central nervous system and these nerves together form peripheral nervous system. And friends, please don't worry, we will discuss this CNS and PNS in detail. Friends, under histology, that is also called microanatomy, we will study the cells and the tissues. For example friends, this is our small intestine and I have taken a piece of this small intestine from this part. And friends, this piece of small intestine is having many cells which together forms tissue. And when this piece of small intestine is seen under microscope, then it looks like this. Friends, first we will discuss the normal pattern of the cells and tissues in the organ. Then we will discuss the diseased or pathological pattern of the cells and tissues in the organ. And friends, under embryology, we will discuss the gametogenesis, fertilization and development of zygote. Under gametogenesis, we will discuss the spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Under fertilization, we will discuss how and where the sperm and ovum fuses together to form a single-celled zygote. And under development of zygote, we will discuss how the one-celled zygote converted into the complete human being. So friends, these are four main branches under the subject anatomy, which we are going to discuss in detail in our future upcoming videos. And friends, one thing I want to tell you that if you will have crystal clear concepts for these four branches, then I am assuring you that the remaining 18 subjects of MBBS will become piece of cake for you.